Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle bearing hub in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle bearing hub to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Jabut 690 Rings Bicycle Hub. Specifications. Brand name, Jabut. Type, MTB bike hubs. Size, 148mm. Number of holes, 28 holes. Axle, boost. Free hub, XD. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub. Number 4 is carbon fiber hub. Specifications. Material, carbon fiber. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Category, bearing hub. Hub hole number, 32 holes. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we selected, ARC MT010 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, ARC. Size, 135mm. Number of holes, 32 holes. Axle, THRU. Free hub, HG. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Material, carbon fiber. Category, bearing hub. Number 2 is ARC 039 MTB bike hub. Specifications. Brand name, ARC. Eyes, 135mm. Number of holes, 32 holes. Axle, QR. Free hub, MIS position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Spoke hole, 29 to 36. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub. Weight, 458 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Goldix GDX 370. Specifications. Brand name, Goldix. Size, 148mm. Axle, boost. Free hub, HG. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Spoke hole, 29 to 36. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub.